Hello and welcome to the lecture of C. Today we will see macro using hash define. We can write hash define to define a macro. Suppose for variable a we wish value 10, which cannot be changed into the whole program. Here we are printing value of a equals to %d and a. To run this program, press Ctrl F9. So here we have a equals to 10. Suppose we are trying to change value of a. Press Ctrl F9. Now this is the thing. Here we have an error. The error is L value required. We cannot change a value of a variable which is used as a macro. Generally, this thing is used with mathematical operations. As we know, the value of pi that is 3.14, and there is no need to change this value into the whole program. So here we can print pi with %f and variable name is pi. We have to remember that when we are using this hash define and variable name, at that time we have to give a space in between variable name and the value. Now to run this program, press Ctrl F9. So here is the output with the value of pi, that is 3.14. This is the use of hash define keyword, or we can say the use of macro. Thank you.